In well-organized systems, the hours of highest concentration are claimed first, not for difficult work, but for coordination and information exchange. This happens before the day even begins. In the morning, people are rested. Inbox and notifications are under control. The day has not yet deployed its full arsenal of demands and constraints. This is when demanding work is possible, work that requires sustained concentration rather than constant response, work that cannot be done in fragments. In many knowledge-based organizations, this is exactly the kind of work people are hired to do. And this is exactly where meetings are placed. Fixed, repeating, treated as immovable, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. Not because this leads to productivity, but because the system treats this time as important. Meeting schedules are not built around how thinking works. They are built around how calendars work. Early in the day, availability is high. Conflicts are few. Delays have not yet accumulated. From the system's perspective, this makes the morning the safest place to insert coordination. For focused work, it makes it the most fragile. A meeting in the morning rarely costs only the hour it occupies. It changes behavior around it. Before the meeting, people hesitate to begin anything demanding. After the meeting, it takes time to recover context and momentum. The result is not interruption. It is that work never fully starts. The system still records success. The meeting happened, people showed up, time was accounted for. What it does not record is whether anything essential moved forward or whether the most demanding task of the day ever entered motion. Over time, work adapts to this structure. Tasks that require sustained concentration are pushed later. Others are broken down so they can survive interruptions. Some are postponed until they lose urgency altogether. Mornings fill with coordination, updates, and information exchange. Afternoons are left fragmented and reactive. Deep work moves to evenings and weekends, where it competes with fatigue instead of meetings. In many cases, it disappears entirely. None of this requires bad intentions. Each meeting has a rationale. Each scheduling decision is defensible on its own. The damage comes from accumulation. This is not about disliking meetings, and it is not about individual discipline. It is about what the system is able to recognize. Attendance is visible, scheduled time is measurable, a completed meeting is easy to count, uninterrupted thinking is not. Over time, the system fills the most valuable part of the day with work that is easy to schedule and easy to justify. People remain busy, calendars remain full, communication appears constant. What declines is the organization's capacity to do the kind of work it actually depends on. Not because people refuse to focus, but because the system repeatedly occupies the only time window where sustained concentration is likely. This is what systems do.